China's city bridges, engineering marvels in urban life. Have you ever looked at a massive bridge inside a busy city and wondered how it was built? In China, city bridges are not just roads, they are lifelines that keep entire cities moving. China is home to some of the most advanced and visually stunning bridges in the world. These bridges are built right in the heart of crowded cities where space is limited and traffic is always growing. Every day, millions of cars, buses, and trains pass over these bridges. Without them, traffic would come to a complete standstill. That's why engineers in China design bridges not only for strength, but also for efficiency and beauty. One of the most fascinating things about city bridges in China is how quickly they are built. While similar projects in other countries can take many years, China often completes massive bridge constructions in record time. But how is this even possible? It all starts with planning. Engineers carefully study the city layout, traffic patterns, and environmental conditions before construction even begins. Every detail is mapped out to avoid delays and ensure maximum efficiency. Once construction starts, the process moves at an incredible pace. Large sections of the bridge are often built off-site and then transported to the location. This method is called prefabrication, and it saves both time and labor. These massive sections are then lifted into place using powerful cranes. Workers connect each piece with extreme precision, ensuring the bridge is perfectly aligned and structurally sound. Building bridges in cities comes with unique challenges. There is limited space, heavy traffic, and constant movement all around. Engineers must work carefully to avoid disrupting daily life. In many cases, construction happens at night when traffic is lighter. This allows workers to install large sections without causing major delays for commuters. Another challenge is safety. These bridges must handle thousands, sometimes millions of vehicles every day. That's why they are built using high-quality materials like reinforced concrete and steel. Many of China's city bridges are also designed to withstand earthquakes and extreme weather conditions. This ensures that they remain safe and functional for decades. But these bridges are not just about function, they are also about design. If you look closely, many city bridges in China are beautifully designed with modern architecture. Some are illuminated with colorful lights at night, turning them into landmarks and tourist attractions. These bridges often become symbols of the cities they are built in. They represent progress, innovation, and the rapid development of urban areas. Technology also plays a big role in these projects. Engineers use advanced software, 3D modeling, and even AI to design and monitor bridge construction. Sensors are often installed in bridges to track their condition in real time. These sensors can detect vibrations, stress, and temperature changes, helping engineers maintain safety and prevent damage. Another important aspect is sustainability. Modern bridges in China are designed to minimize environmental impact. Engineers take steps to protect nearby rivers, reduce pollution, and use energy-efficient materials whenever possible. Some bridges even include dedicated lanes for bicycles and pedestrians, encouraging eco-friendly transportation. China's rapid urbanization has made these bridges more important than ever. As cities grow larger, the need for efficient transportation continues to increase. Bridges help reduce traffic congestion, shorten travel times, and improve the overall quality of life for millions of people. They also play a crucial role in economic growth. Faster transportation means goods can be delivered more quickly, businesses can operate more efficiently, and cities can expand without limits. One of the most impressive things about China's city bridges is the scale at which they are built. Multi-level bridges, also known as overpasses or flyovers, are common in major cities. These complex structures allow traffic to move in multiple directions without stopping. It's like a giant network of roads stacked on top of each other. For drivers, this means smoother journeys and less time spent in traffic. For the city, it means better flow and improved infrastructure. And for engineers, it's a chance to showcase their skills and push the boundaries of what's possible. Despite their size and complexity, these bridges are built with incredible precision. Every measurement, every connection, and every detail must be perfect. Even a small error could lead to major problems, which is why strict quality control measures are followed throughout the construction process. China's success in building these bridges comes down to a combination of skilled workers, advanced technology, and efficient planning. It's a system that allows them to take on some of the most challenging projects in the world and complete them successfully. As we look to the future, city bridges will continue to evolve. We may see smarter bridges with built-in technology that can communicate with vehicles, monitor traffic, and even repair themselves. The goal is to create infrastructure that is not only strong and reliable, but also intelligent and adaptable. China is already leading the way in this field, setting new standards for the rest of the world. So the next time you see a bridge in a busy city, take a moment to appreciate the effort behind it. It's more than just a road, it's a masterpiece of engineering, a solution to urban challenges, and a symbol of progress. China's city bridges are a perfect example of how innovation can transform everyday life. Have you ever wondered how modern cities handle millions of vehicles every single day without completely collapsing into traffic chaos? In China, the answer lies in something we often take for granted: bridges. But these are not just ordinary bridges. These are massive, multi-level, high-tech structures built right in the middle of some of the busiest cities in the world. China's city bridges are more than just roads connecting two points. They are carefully designed systems that keep entire urban environments running smoothly. As China's population grew rapidly and cities expanded, traffic became one of the biggest challenges. Traditional roads were no longer enough. That's when engineers turned to vertical expansion, building upwards instead of outwards. This led to the creation of multi-layered bridges, also known as flyovers and interchanges. Some of these bridges look like giant concrete webs, stretching in multiple directions, allowing cars to move without ever stopping at traffic lights. One famous example is the multi-level interchanges found in cities like Shanghai and Chongqing. These structures can have 3, 4, or even 5 levels of traffic stacked on top of each other. Imagine driving on a road that is 50 feet above the ground while another road runs above you and yet another below you, all moving smoothly at the same time. It may look complex, but it's actually a highly efficient system. Now, let's talk about how these incredible bridges are built. The process starts long before construction begins. Engineers use advanced computer simulations to study traffic patterns, population growth, and future demands. They don't just build for today, they build for the next 20, 30, or even 50 years. Once the design is finalized, construction begins with the foundation. In city environments, this is one of the most challenging parts. The ground is often already crowded with underground utilities like water pipes, gas lines, and subway systems. Engineers must carefully plan where to place each support pillar without disturbing existing infrastructure. Deep foundations are then created using reinforced concrete and steel. These pillars must be strong enough to support thousands of tons of weight every single day. After the foundation is complete, the next step is assembling the bridge structure. China uses a technique called prefabrication, where large sections of the bridge are built in factories and then transported to the construction site. This not only speeds up the process, but also improves quality, as these sections are made in controlled environments. Giant cranes lift these massive pieces into place, sometimes weighing hundreds of tons. Workers then connect them with precision, ensuring everything fits perfectly. What's even more impressive is how quickly this is done. In some cases, entire sections of bridges are installed overnight to avoid disrupting daytime traffic. Yes, you heard that right. A bridge can literally appear overnight. Now let's talk about safety. City bridges in China are designed to handle extreme conditions. They must support heavy traffic, resist earthquakes, and withstand harsh weather like heavy rain and strong winds. To achieve this, engineers use high-strength materials and advanced construction techniques. Many bridges are also equipped with sensors that monitor their condition in real time. These sensors track vibrations, weight loads, temperature changes, and even tiny structural shifts. If something unusual is detected, engineers are alerted immediately, allowing them to take action before any serious problem occurs. This makes modern bridges not just strong, but smart. Another interesting aspect is how these bridges are designed with people in mind. Some city bridges include pedestrian walkways and bicycle lanes, making them accessible for everyone. Others are designed with aesthetics in mind, featuring modern architecture, sleek curves, and even colorful lighting at night. In cities like Shanghai, bridges are often illuminated with LED lights, turning them into beautiful landmarks after sunset. They are not just functional, they are part of the city's identity. Now let's look at the impact of these bridges. First, they significantly reduce traffic congestion. By allowing vehicles to move in multiple directions without stopping, they eliminate bottlenecks and improve traffic flow. Second, they save time. What used to take hours in traffic can now be done in minutes. Third, they boost the economy. Faster transportation means faster delivery of goods, better business operations, and increased productivity. And finally, they improve the quality of life. Less time in traffic means more time for family, work, and relaxation. But building these bridges is not without challenges. Working in busy cities means dealing with limited space, noise restrictions, and constant movement. Engineers must coordinate carefully to avoid disrupting daily life. Construction often takes place at night when traffic is lighter. Workers operate under tight schedules, sometimes working around the clock to complete projects on time. Despite these challenges, China continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Their ability to combine speed, efficiency, and innovation has made them a global leader in infrastructure development. Looking ahead, the future of city bridges is even more exciting. We may soon see bridges that can communicate with smart vehicles, adjust to traffic conditions automatically, and even use renewable energy. Imagine a bridge that can light itself with solar power or alert drivers about traffic ahead. This is not science fiction, it's already in development. China is investing heavily in smart infrastructure, and bridges are a big part of that vision. In conclusion, China's city bridges are more than just concrete and steel. They are a perfect blend of engineering, technology, and innovation. They solve real-world problems, improve everyday life, and represent the future of urban living. So the next time you drive over a bridge or see one in a city, take a moment to think about the incredible effort behind it. Because what may look like a simple road is actually a masterpiece of modern engineering. And in China, these masterpieces are shaping the cities of tomorrow. Thank you for watching.